5 little eggs were sitting in the nest on top of the tree and all undressed. Mama bird saw them starting to crack, and soon all the eggs were hatched. The first baby bird looked down at the ground. He got scared and couldn't make a sound. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly." But the baby bird was too shy. The first baby bird got out of the nest. The next baby bird looked at the rest. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly." But the baby bird said, "Oh my, my, my." The second baby bird flew way up high. The next baby bird just gave a sigh. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly." But the baby bird said, "Too high, high, high." The third baby bird, the last went out. The next baby bird just gave a bout. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly." But the baby bird said, "Oh, why? The third baby bird went down to eat. The last baby bird gave along a loud tweet. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly." But the baby bird wanted to cry, cry, cry. Mama bird said, "It will be okay. You'll be alright and there's a way." The little baby bird then started to sing and flew off flapping his wings. All the baby birds with mother in the lead flew through the sky and well indeed. Mama bird said, "Now fly, fly, fly." And all the birds flew to the sky, sky, sky. My little eggs were sitting in the eggs were sitting in the eggs were. Hi, my name is Lucy and I'm a bird.
Turn it on.